Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready to start removing background noise. First, duplicate the recorded track so you keep an untouched reference. You want input peaks near -6 dB so processing has headroom. Insert RIA EQ followed by RIA gate on the duplicated track. This order lets you remove broadband hum before gating. Once done, set Reaper's buffer to 256 samples to avoid glitches while tweaking. Make sure recording and monitoring are off to prevent re-recording artifacts. Next, use RIA EQ to surgically remove hum and problem bands. Notch 50 or 60 Hz, then apply a gentle high shelf cut above 8K Hz to tame hiss. Once EQ is set, open RIA gate and lower the threshold until background noise disappears while spoken words remain intact. Tweak attack and release so consonants aren't choked. You can switch to spectral view or use a spectral JS plugin to find stubborn tones. This helps you target narrow bands without hurting clarity. For the final polish, add light compression to even levels, then use RIA FIR in subtraction mode. Capture a noise profile from a silent section, then apply moderate reduction. Once done, automate bypass on silence to avoid pumping. Render to a new file and a /b with your raw reference to confirm naturalness. If you hear artifacts like warbling or gating glitches, reduce the reduction amount, widen EQ factors, or re-record the noisy segment. One key tip: always.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.